The United States. The United States of America is one of the world's most diversified countries, with a wide diversity of landscapes, cultures, and experiences. From the towering skyscrapers of New York City to the breathtaking natural splendor of Yosemite National Park, the United States has something for everyone. The landscapes of the United States range from towering mountains to huge deserts to coastal beaches. It is divided into 50 states, each having its own terrain and attractions. The Grand Canyon, Yellowstone National Park, and the Statue of Liberty are among the most well-known sights. With a GDP of more than $21 trillion, the United States possesses the world's largest economy. It is home to some of the world's most powerful corporations, like Apple, Amazon, and Google. The country is also a prominent actor in global trade, with goods and services exports totaling more than $2.5 trillion in 2020. Let's talk today about the beautiful places of United States. New York. Known as the city that never sleeps, New York City is a world-famous destination for its bustling streets, towering skyscrapers, and diverse culture. From the iconic Statue of Liberty to the bright lights of Times Square, there's no shortage of things to see and do in the Big Apple. Los Angeles. As the entertainment capital of the world, Los Angeles is home to the Hollywood Walk of Fame, the iconic Hollywood sign, and some of the most famous theme parks in the world, including Disneyland and Universal Studios. With its warm climate and laid-back lifestyle, LA is the perfect destination for those looking to soak up the California sun. Las Vegas. Known as the entertainment capital of the world, Las Vegas is a must-visit destination for those looking for a unique and unforgettable experience. From world-class shows to some of the best casinos in the world, there's always something exciting happening in Sin City. San Francisco. Known for its iconic Golden Gate Bridge, cable cars, and steep hills, San Francisco is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the U.S. With its rich history, diverse culture, and world-class cuisine, there's something for everyone in the city by the bay. Miami. Located on the southern tip of Florida, Miami is a vibrant city known for its stunning beaches, warm climate, and thriving nightlife. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, hit the clubs, or explore the city's many museums and cultural landmarks, Miami is a must-visit destination. Hawaii. Hawaii is recognized for its breathtaking natural beauty, which ranges from pristine beaches to volcanic volcanoes. Hawaii visitors can relax on the beach, try snorkeling or surfing, or learn about the island's distinctive culture and history. The Grand Canyon. One of the most iconic natural wonders in the world, the Grand Canyon is a must-visit destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. With its stunning views, hiking trails, and breathtaking scenery, it's no wonder why millions of visitors flock to the park each year. Traveling to the United States can be an exciting and rewarding experience, offering visitors a chance to explore a vast and diverse country with a rich history and culture. From the bustling cities of New York and Los Angeles to the natural wonders of the Grand Canyon and Yellowstone National Park, the U.S. has something to offer every traveler. Thank you for taking the time to watch our videos. If you like this videos, please like it and subscribe to this channel, and press the bell button for your next dream travel destination videos.